This is a stylish item that boosts emotional value. Anyone you give it to will complement your taste. It combines a clock, wireless charging, ambient light, and Bluetooth speaker in one. Press a button and the IPS flip screen opens, showing date and time. On the right is a 15-watt wireless charging spot. Just place your phone to charge. The back has a warm amber light, casting a soft, cozy glow. Great for photos or creating a relaxing home atmosphere. Bluetooth 5.4 keeps a stable connection. CD quality sound with deep bass and clear highs. Multiple white noise modes help you relax or sleep. Minimalist design fits any home. A practical and soothing gift, perfect for yourself or someone special.